Hey there, I'm Geoff Dow, the CEO of 60 Degrees Pharmaceuticals. We're a Washington, D.C. based pharma company focused on the development and commercialization of new products to treat and prevent severe infectious disease. In 2018, the company was very fortunate to secure the regulatory approval of ARAKODA for malaria prevention. ARAKODA is differentiated from other products for malaria prevention by its broad spectrum of action against malaria parasites and a very convenient weekly dosing regimen. And it's these two features, the broad spectrum of action and a convenient dosing regimen, that we believe will allow the active ingredient of ARAKODA, which is tafenoquine, to be repositioned for a number of diseases that have a very important economic impact in the United States, but also have a substantial amount of unmet medical need associated with existing therapeutic options. The diseases we're interested in targeting include COVID-19, tick-borne diseases, and fungal diseases. And I'd like to spend just a little bit of time focusing on our strategy. ARAKODA is administered as a loading dose once a day for 3 days and then once weekly. In 2021, we evaluated this regimen. Moving forward, the company is going to be focused on a number of research programs to evaluate the potential utility of tafenoquine in COVID-19, tick-borne and fungal diseases. All of these diseases have significant unmet medical need associated with them. I want to spend a little bit of time focused on COVID first. Paxlovid and molnupiravir were recently approved by the FDA and provide important benefits for COVID patients in terms of prevention of hospitalization. But what you may not know is that they're only approved for 75% of the US population, leaving 25% of folks without any option for FDA-approved oral therapeutics. The approved COVID therapeutics also don't accelerate recovery from COVID symptoms. And that's an important gap that companies like 60P and Gilead are trying to develop new therapeutics for. In 2021, we were very fortunate with US Army funding to be able to run a small phase 2A study in COVID patients, evaluating the first 4 doses of the FDA-approved regimen of tafenoquine for malaria as a potential COVID therapeutic. What we found was, in a cluster of COVID symptoms, the data suggests that tafenoquine had the ability to accelerate clinical recovery by 2 to 2.5 days, which is equivalent to the best data that's out there for other therapeutics in development for this indication. In 2023, following our upcoming IPO, assuming our phase 2B study is successful in 2023, we'll be conducting a confirmatory study in 2024, and then seeking marketing approval thereafter for COVID. It's this process, taking an advanced clinical asset, conducting a short, sharp, focused, and cost-effective development campaign to allow us to seek marketing approval for new and important indications that affect the lives of millions of people. That's the core business and value proposition at 60 Degrees Pharma. In the future, we hope to do the same thing with tick-borne diseases and fungal infections and have a portfolio of products and approaches that we think will create value for investors and also meet the important unmet medical needs of patients in the future. We hope that you'll consider being an investor in 60 Degrees Pharma. If you'd like more information, you can go to our website at www.60degreespharma.com. And I hope you'll reach out to us in the future and look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you very much.